Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Black Myth Wukong and the game is crashing on your Intel Arc GPU, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Black Myth Wukong crashing on Intel Arc graphics card easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your browser, you're going to go on to Intel GPU here, and then you're going to click on to support here, click on to download center, you're going to click on to graphics here then, and then you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750 or whatever. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers and then install them. After you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam, you're going to right click on Black Myth Wukong, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify integrity your game files here. And once you're done validating your games files, you're going to go to the Black Myth Wukong's games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive. From files A6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Black Myth Wukong. You're going to right click on the Black Myth Wukong exe, click properties, go into compatibility, click disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now when you try to play Black Myth Wukong, you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face those crashes on Intel Arc GPU anymore. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.